eCalcs, bringing health calculators into the EHR. eCalcs are integrated, patient-specific, and documented. The calculators are integrated into the EHR screens. The specific patient's clinical information is brought into the calculator, and we document their risk score back into the EHR by clicking Add to Chart. We can do this for any of the most popular health calculators, with new calculators coming every month. Now that the risk scores are in the patient's chart, we can view them as a flow sheet, graph, and even cite them into the current note. We show the patient their risk scores and their progress over time. Galen eCalcs, bringing health calculators into the EHR.